The ESR Flickstand case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra strikes an impressive balance between protection and style. What immediately caught my attention is the crystal clear acrylic back, which lets you showcase your phone's design while providing military-grade drop protection. The air guard corners are particularly clever, absorbing impact so your expensive flagship stays safe. One of the standout features is the magnetic system. With 1,500 grams of holding force, it's one of the stronger magnetic arrays I've tested, making it perfect for mag-safe accessories and wireless charging. The connection is solid and reliable, which is exactly what you want when using magnetic car mounts or charging stands. The case comes in several variations, but I'd recommend the clear black or frosted black options if you want something a bit more subtle. The clear version is great too, though it can show fingerprints more easily. Speaking of clarity, the raised edges around both the screen and camera array offer meaningful protection without being overly aggressive. What impressed me most is how ESR managed to pack all this protection into a relatively slim profile. The buttons remain satisfyingly clicky, and the cutouts are precisely aligned, something that's not always a given, even with more expensive cases. There are a couple of minor quibbles, though. The clear versions can yellow over time, which is common for transparent cases, but still worth noting. Also, while the magnetic system is strong, adding it does make the case slightly thicker than non-magnetic alternatives. Still, considering the reasonable price point, excellent protection, and thoughtful design features, the ESR Flickstand case is an easy recommendation for Galaxy S25 Ultra owners who want reliable protection without hiding their phone's premium design.